This is Chapter 6, Section 2 quiz. First question, vocabulary set. Across the top, we read General Howe's winter camp, French noble at Valley Forge, fled the colonies, leaving the army without permission, stood up for women's interests. Down the left-hand side, we read the following. Deserting, Abigail Adams, Loyalists, the Marquis de Lafayette, Philadelphia. Next question. Americans gained the support of various allies in fighting the British, including the European countries of France and Russia or Spain. Next question. A former Prussian army officer named blank drilled Patriot troops for Washington. Choices: Heinrich von Stubenheimer or Frederick von Steuben. Next question. Financing the war continued to be a major problem. Congress had no power to tax the colonists, so it printed choices: military bonds or paper money. Next question. But too much money in circulation resulted in choices: inflation or deflation. Next question. Ideas of liberty and freedom that inspired the Patriots also caused Americans to question the treatment of those at home. A prominent American who stood up for women's interests was choices: Linda Gray or Abigail Adams. Next question. In 1778, where did the Continental Army spend its harshest winter? Choices: Valley Forge or New York. Next question. How did Frederick von Steuben help the Army? Choices: drilled the troops, taught them discipline, none of the above, all of the above. Next question. What happened when the Congress and the states both printed money? Choices: bills lost value, circulation grew faster than the supply of gold and silver backing them, it caused inflation, or all of the above. Next question. Who argued that a woman's mind is as good as a man's? Choices: Judith Sargent Murray or Dolly Madison. Next question. What happened to Loyalists during the war? Choices: many fled the colonies. They were shunned by neighbors. They were victims of violence, or all of the above. That concludes Chapter 6, Section 2 quiz.